In a skillet, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil over medium heat. Into that, add some cashews and fry for a minute. This is optional. Into that, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of chopped chili, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, and 2 stems of curry leaves. Add salt to taste and a pinch of asafoetida and fry till the onions turn golden brown. Add cooked rice and let all the ingredients get well incorporated. And finally garnish it with some chopped cilantro. Try it today and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.